When you visit Plymouth, if you're looking for a place to take a quick walk, meet up with friends and family at cafes and restaurants by the sea, or take a quick swim on a hot summer day, this place ticks all the boxes. This is the tinside lido. It's an outdoor swimming pool that stretches out to the sea. It's usually open for public during summers. The most famous sight on the Hoe is the Smeaton Tower. This lighthouse gives you a panoramic view of the beautiful city. The Hoe is also home to many memorials. With so much that it has to offer, one can just stroll around, visit cafes, picnic with loved ones, or just play with pets. This definitely is one place to unwind and relax. After having spent few hours soaking in the summer sun and enjoying ice creams, we are on our way to explore a new city. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.